And here we go. And it is a Tuesday, May 12th already. And this is chemistry. This is Miss Lowe, and today's directions and information for you are going to be super short. I do have several students that are in this class and the other, of the 3 chemistry classes that may or may not be taking AP tests this week. And I've pretty much covered everything I can do to help you with writing and balancing chemical equations. If you've watched the video, especially the one from last time, you know it was super long, 45 minutes after I edited it. So, so you need to practice that. So I'm going to give you time today. You're all up and you're ready to go. The assignment is in Google Classroom. You're going to do it on a separate sheet of paper. It's questions 71 through 84 from the back of the chapter. But what you need to know about the questions is they sort of repeat. And what I mean is 71 has 4 word equations, for example, A, B, C, D, and it says write the skeleton equation. And then it says write the balanced chemical equation. So 71 is write the skeleton equation, 75 is write the balanced chemical equation, and then again, another question says identify what reaction type is it. So you can actually label those 71, 75, and I think it's 81, so that you don't have to write them all over again, and it won't be as much work. That's the instructions, and again, it's in Google Classroom. You can attach it. For those of you who are having trouble attaching documents, apparently you need to know that there is a Google Classroom app, and that using the Google Classroom app on your phone is way easier than emailing the picture to your email and then getting on the computer and going in and attaching it. So, because if you have it on your phone and you have a smartphone with, the app, you just take a picture, save it, go into Google Classroom, upload it, and you're good to go. Other than that, I really just want you to be working on that. You do have a test this Friday on this. So I will be on Zoom for you again tomorrow for the normal tutorial. And I will be on again Thursday to just kind of help you review for the test. I'm going to throw a few questions out there for you on Thursday for the test. And if you want to stay at the end on Thursday and ask additional questions about the homework from this week, that's great. Joseph says, when I try to get Google Classroom on my phone, it says I need to request access. How do I do that? Abby says same. It says I need to contact the domain administrator because I don't have access. I haven't heard of this. Yeah.
I'll Google it while you're talking.
She's going to Google it while we're talking. Kendall Christmas said yours worked fine. So that's interesting. Make sure you sign in with your school email. Yeah, that could be it. You have to be signed in with your school email, and when you're in Google Classroom, if you download the app and you've already done it with your personal email, you have the option to add. You can go in and change the user. I think that more than likely that's probably it. Joseph says it's the same for the school email. And Abby says it was my school email. Okay, so for you guys, if you want to stick around, I can. You need to be logged in with your Chrome.
Yeah. I don't know how I want to say it. I'll try to think about how to word it.
Okay, somebody said that happened to me before I needed to create a work profile. So you need to create a work profile. If you're logged into Google on your phone on any other email address which is a domain, using any other email address, you need to go log in as somebody else and use your school. So I think it may be
I
a
think that's what
Chrome
it is.
issue.
Yeah.
You
I
have
think
to
that's
go
what
into
it is.
Chrome and log in that way. All right, anybody have any questions? Again, if you're having that problem, hi Nina. Oh my God, Nina, Sienna, I'm so sorry. I didn't see that you were here. But you'll be able to go back and watch the video. It's super short. I'm glad that you're here, Nina. I haven't seen you in a while. So if, yeah, Deb wants to talk to you. I'm gonna stop recording. And if anybody is having problems with the Google Classroom app, stick around.